Hey guys, Audrey Wiggins here with Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Lifestyle Property Partners. It's Horse Farm Friday, and I'm featuring another property that I have listed over here at 327 Huntinghorn Lane. This farm is located in an equestrian community called Hunt Country. You can see a little bit of the 18 acres behind me. There is a private pond, two really nice big paddocks for your horses to eat grass in and play, and then a nice barn behind me. I'm going to take you inside and give you a little tour of what the house has to offer, and then we'll hit the barn and do a little walk around of the farm. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home sitting on 18 acres. The home has some many lovely features. It's got this nice open concept. I'm standing in the kitchen. There's a large island granite countertops, beautiful maple colored cabinetry, and stainless steel appliances. The bedrooms are all at this end of the house over here. There's a large master suite with a 5-piece bath and a large walk-in closet. 2 nice sized guest rooms and a guest bath as well. One of the best features about this home are the windows that you see behind me. This is the great room, and you can, even in the master bedroom, the great room, kitchen, dining, from all of these rooms, you can see stunning views of your fields and pastures. You can see the pond. Your horses were out there grazing. It'd be a beautiful sight. It's just a really nicely situated house on top of the hill here, and the farm just fawns out around it. It's really quite beautiful. One of the best features, if you're a horse riding person, is that this property is situated on the north country of the Walther Moss Foundation. The Walther Moss Foundation is over 4,000 acres dedicated to the horse and rider that we have here in Moore County. And the North Country is about 1,500 acres of that larger tract. And we have lots of sandy trails, hunt fences, bridges to cross over, water crossings. It's a beautiful site. I'm going to give you a little bit of a tour of the grounds and the barn. Property and a great location. We have it currently listed at $759,000. I'm Audrey with Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Lifestyle Property Partners. Thank you for watching today.